Today we're going to be discussing a push-pull leg split for every single person who wants to gain muscle, जिसे hypertrophy पे focus करना है, जिसे definition पे focus करना है, जिसे strength पे focus करना है और जिसे अपने workout से सबसे ज़्यादा return on investment चाहिए, उसके लिए ये push-pull leg split बहुत ही effective होगा। नमस्ते, मैं हूँ Shivoham and welcome to our channel Body, Mind and Beyond। इसके पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, प्लीज मेक श्योर टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। और अगर ऐसा कोई टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में आप सुनना चाहते हैं, देन पुट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स। वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है। बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने कमेंट्स में लिखा है कि सर प्लीज मेक ए पुश पुल लेग स्प्लिट। मैंने जिस तरीके से प्रोग्राम प्लान किया है वो ये है: डे 1 पुश, डे 2 पुल, Day 3 legs, Day 4 push, Day 5 pull, Day 6 legs and Day 7 rest. Day 1, Day 2 and Day 3. In 3 दिन we are going to be focusing more on strength. We're going to be focusing more on hypertrophy. Day 4, 5 and 6 we're going to be focusing more on metabolic conditioning, reshaping and definition. And that is why a 6-day split of push-pull leg works beautifully. So day 1 is going to be push, which is all about strength and hypertrophy. Push yani we're going to be focusing on chest, shoulders and triceps. वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करने के पहले जब कोई भी मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं उसके 1 या 2 सेट थोड़े से वेट के साथ आप वार्म अप कर लेना, so your next working set can be very effective. We're going to be starting with the strength exercises. First exercise is going to be barbell bench press. Barbell bench press, you're going to be doing 5 sets and 5 repetitions. And second exercise, overhead barbell shoulder press. Again, 5 sets, 5 reps. ये दोनों exercise आप अलग अलग करेंगे. First, you're going to be finishing off with 5 sets of bench press. Then you're going to be doing 5 sets of overhead press. दोनों exercise करते time, you're going to be increasing the weight. Take 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest between every set. Make sure that you focus on form and your technique. Remember, is always going to be your number one priority. After we finish the strength workouts, then we're going to move on to supersets. The first superset is going to be of inclined dumbbell press and dumbbell lateral raises. Inclined dumbbell press and dumbbell lateral raises, you're going to be doing both 4 sets. Lekin inclined dumbbell press, you're going to be doing 10 repetitions. Lateral raises, you're going to be doing 15 repetitions. 30 seconds rest between both the exercises. After both the exercises are done, you can take 60 seconds to 90 seconds break. Okay. Now remember, try and increase the weight every single round by a little bit as much as you can. Superset B. पहली exercise है आपकी weighted dips. Second exercise है आपकी rope tricep push down. दोनों के आप 4 set करोगे. For weighted dips, you're going to be doing 10 to 12 repetitions. And for tricep push down, आप करोगे 12 to 15 repetitions. Same thing. 30-second rest between the exercises and 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest between the sets. Technique and form is going to be your number one priority. ये था आपका day 1, which is going to be push. Day 2 is going to be your pull. Pull is basically back, bicep and traps. First exercise for your strength movement is going to be weighted pull-ups. जो weighted pull-ups नहीं कर सकते, that's fine. You can either do banded pull-ups or you can even do assisted pull-ups. But the idea over here is to try and do the pull-ups. ये exercise आप miss मत करना. 5 sets, 5 repetitions. Second one is bent over barbell rows. Again, 5 sets, 5 repetitions. Both exercises are completely separate. Same rule applies as day 1. Increase the weight every single time if you can. If you cannot, stick with the constant weight. 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest between every set. Superset A, wide grip lat pull down and chest supported dumbbell rows. दोनों के आप 10 से 12 repetition करोगे. Superset B, straight bar bicep curls and inclined dumbbell curls. दोनों के आप 4 set करोगे. 12 से 15 repetition. Focus on form, focus on technique. Increase the weight a little bit every single round if you can. If not, stay with the same weight. That's absolutely fine. ये था आपका day 2. Day 3 is going to be legs, strength and again hypertrophy. First 2 exercises for strength. First one, barbell back squat. If you can't do barbell back squat on a free bar, you can do it on a Smith machine. That's absolutely fine. Second exercise, Romanian deadlift with a barbell. Again, same 5 by 5, 5 sets, 5 reps. Both exercises are completely separate. Rules are the same as day 1 and day 2. Increase the weight every round if you can. Take 60 seconds to 90 seconds break between every set. Focus on form, focus on technique. Superset A, Bulgarian split squats and hack squats. अगर hack squat machine आपके पास नहीं है, then you can do goblet squats with elevated heels. दोनों के 4 राउंड, 10 से 12 repetition. Increase the weight every round if you can. 30-second rest between exercises. 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest between every set. Superset B, seated or lying down leg curls depending on what machine you have, and standing calf raises. दोनों के 4 सेट. लेग कर्ल्स के आप करोगे 12 से 15 रेपिटेशन. सीटेड काफ रेस के आप करोगे 20 रेपिटेशन. 30 seconds rest between exercises. 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest between every round. Focus on form, focus on technique. ये थे आपके first 3 days where we are focusing on strength, where we are focusing on hypertrophy. The next 3 days of push-pull leg is going to be all about metabolic conditioning, circuit work, and all about shaping and reshaping the muscles, improving the definition of every single muscle. Day number 4 is going to be again your push day. So here we're going to start off with a giant set. Now here begins the first exercise. First exercise is incline Smith machine chest press. Second exercise, dumbbell Arnold press. You can either do the seated or standing. I leave that up to you. Third exercise, flat cable flies. Fourth exercise, single arm cable lateral raises. Fifth exercise, tricep press down with a straight bar. And sixth exercise, overhead tricep extension with dumbbells. Alright, remember 4 sets of this entire circuit, and each exercise is between 12 to 15 repetitions. After the first round, try to increase the weight, and after that, for the second, third, and fourth round, stay with the same weight. Control movement, good form, good technique. Remember, 30 seconds rest between exercises and 2 minutes rest after the entire circuit is over. You're going to finish up with a push-up ladder. Alright, in the push-up ladder, you're going to start with 20 reps. Then you're going to do 18, then 16, then 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. Minimal rest between every set, but try to finish those number of repetitions in one go. If you cannot, if you're a beginner, then you can start with 10 and then 8, 6, 4, and 2. And if you want to repeat this one more time, then that's fine. Day number 5 is going to be pull. We're going to start off with a giant set. First exercise, close grip seated rows on the cable. Second exercise, wide grip seated row on the cable. Third exercise, close grip lat pull down. Fourth exercise, reverse cable flies. Fifth exercise, cable rope hammer curls. And sixth exercise, EZ bar preacher curls. 4 rounds of this entire circuit, 10 to 12 repetitions of each exercise. Increase the weight after first round, then second, third, and fourth round, keep the weight constant. Focus on speed, focus on form. 30 seconds rest between exercise, 2 minutes rest between the rounds. To finish off, you're going to do 3 sets of 30 seconds kettlebell swings. Last one, day number 6, lower body. So for lower body, we're going to start off with a giant set. First exercise is your regular stance leg press. Second exercise is weighted walking lunges. Third exercise is leg extensions. Fourth exercise is elevated heel goblet squats. Fifth exercise is lying down leg curls. And sixth exercise is seated calf raises. 4 rounds of each. Here you are again going to do 10 to 12 repetitions. Only in the lunges you will do total of 20 repetitions, and calf raises total of 20 repetitions. Increase the weight after first round. Second round, third round, fourth round will be the same weight. 30-second rest between exercises, and then 2 minutes rest after your round is over. For finish up, you're going to do 3 rounds of 30 seconds squat jumps followed by 30 seconds of wall sits. So once again, just to sum it up, Monday is push, which is all about strength and hypertrophy. Tuesday is pull day with strength and hypertrophy. Wednesday is legs, strength and hypertrophy. Thursday is push, all about metabolic conditioning. Friday is pull, metabolic conditioning and giant sets. Saturday is legs, metabolic conditioning, giant sets. Sunday is a complete day off. Take a massage, take a cold shower, go for a steam, sauna, whatever you need to do. Rest, recover, eat properly. Remember, with all these movements and with this workout, there's going to be quite a bit of strain on the muscle. Rest and recovery is going to be a very important aspect of your training, a very important aspect of your progress. Getting the right supplementation. We've made a video on supplements. The link is there in the description. Go to the link, watch the video, see what supplements you need to get. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Besides that, make sure that your nutrition is on point. Prioritize your protein. Get good amount of carbs in, especially around the workout time. That will really help you with energy, will help you with recovery, and of course to perform better on the next day as well. Alright, so here, this was your push-pull leg split for beginners, advanced and intermediate. Beginners and advanced, there's only one difference. एक ही फर्क है. Beginners might take a little bit more rest and they might lift a little bit less, but besides that, the workout is the same. Movements are simple, easy to understand, easy to execute, so don't worry too much about complexity. Like I said, remember, focus on form, focus on technique, do it slow, build that mind-muscle connection, and I promise you 6 weeks of this workout and you will see some amazing before and after changes. If you feel like sharing your before and after pictures with me, please do, and if you're okay, I will post them on Instagram and tag you as well. मैंने आपको तो दे दिया एक पुश पुल लेग स्प्लिट रूटीन, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपनी खुद की क्रिएटिविटी से अलग रूटीन नहीं बना सकते. फर्स्ट ट्राई दिस फॉर 4 to 6 weeks. उसके बाद आपको अगर कुछ उसमें चेंजेस डालने, मॉडिफिकेशंस करने, you're more than welcome to do that. This is just to give you a basic plan, basic idea, guide you on how to make a good, effective 6-day plan for a push-pull leg split. मैं हूँ Shivoham. Thank you for watching our channel Body, Mind and Beyond. Please make sure to like, subscribe and share. और अगर ऐसा कोई टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में आप सुनना चाहते हैं, then put it down in the comments. We will try our best to make a video on that.